In this video, I'm going to show you 3 LinkedIn automation tools for extracting LinkedIn posts and comments to Excel. Find the bot links in the video description. View the full example files from this video on the bot pages. Click the like button to support the channel. And if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. Tool 1: LinkedIn Company Post Extractor. This bot exports LinkedIn posts from company pages to Excel. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the LinkedIn Company Post Extractors page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste a company's LinkedIn profile link. Select how many company posts you need to export. For example, 50. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted LinkedIn company post to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. The bot has exported 50 LinkedIn posts of our target company. Tool 2: LinkedIn User Post Extractor. This bot exports LinkedIn posts from people's pages to Excel. Paste a user's LinkedIn profile link. Select how many LinkedIn user posts you need to export. For example, 50. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported 50 LinkedIn posts of our target user. Tool 3: LinkedIn User Comment Extractor. This bot exports LinkedIn comments published by a user under other users' posts. Paste a user's LinkedIn profile link. Select how many LinkedIn comments posted by this user you need to export. For example, 50. Launch the bot into action. Done. The bot has exported 50 LinkedIn comments posted by our target user. Sign up on Botster and use these smart LinkedIn tools for extracting posts and comments to Excel. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.